Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial and you guys how to get volume in your hair, how to curl your hair without using any heat products. Make sure your hair is just fresh and clean, or at least a day or two old. If it's a day or two old, just make sure you pass the blow dryer. That's what I did off camera. And then all you're gonna need for this look is gonna be bobby pins. For me, I would say I use maybe about 10 to 15. I can't really tell you how many to use because sometimes, you know, we have thicker hair or longer hair. So just make sure you have at least, maybe at least 20 of them or 30 of them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start grabbing a small piece like this, and with your fingers you're gonna start rolling it up just like this. You roll it up and make sure you keep one of your fingers here so you can put the bobby pin right in there. Do not let go of your hair until you know that it's secure. Okay, I'm gonna do a few of them. Slow here on the camera, and then I'm gonna speed everything up. So I don't know if you guys can see me rolling it up. And then keep one finger there. See if you can see here. And put the bobby pin right through. If you've never done this before, it might take a few tries for you to get used to it, but just take your time, and go slow. It's basically gonna give it a look kind of like if you're wearing rollers in your hair. Now, if you are gonna try this hairstyle, I would say first begin with your hair before you start doing your makeup. So the longer that you leave it on, the more volume you're gonna get. So you can actually do this at night. You could sleep with it on. Just make sure you wear like a sleeping cap. I actually did a hairstyle like this for a wedding, and I put on a sleeping cap. I went to sleep, then I kept it on the whole day. It doesn't bother me at all. And then by the time I was ready, I did my makeup and everything, I was ready to go, I took it all off, and it was amazing. Like, the curls were really intact. I'll take all the bobby pins off on camera and show you the time so you can see how long I left it and how it came out for me. This is a hairstyle that has worked for me for a very long time. Maybe like try it out on a day that you're not going out, just so you can practice. Now, if I have some bobby pins left over, what I like to do is I go over the ones that feel like maybe they're really thick and I'm afraid that they might fall off, and I add more pins to it. Okay. So let me get closer to the camera so I can show you what it looks like. So it should look somehow something like this. Okay, you guys, so right now it is 12:30. That's when I finished putting up my hair. I'm gonna wait maybe about an hour or two and I'll be back. I'll take it off on camera and show you guys depending on how long I left it and what it looks like. And again, try to keep it on as long as possible. Oh, another step that we cannot forget actually is gonna be hairspray. Okay, so this step is extremely important. As soon as you put your hair up, make sure that you put a lot of hairspray. Now, this hairspray that I love to use is by Garnier. I don't know if you guys can see it here focused in the camera. It is Garnier Fructis Style Sleek and Shine Hairspray. It has frizz protection. What I like about it is it doesn't really make my hair that like hard. It's still, you know, it keeps it in place. But it just depends how you put it on. As you can see, I'm actually going shh like that, but don't get like really close to your hair and like spray like that, because then for sure it'll make your hair really hard, and that's not what we want. What we want right now is to make sure that the curls stay intact, so then when we remove it, you guys will see. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back, and right now it is 3 o'clock. It has been 2.5 hours. So I am going to start taking it off on the camera so you guys can see. This is the first one. See how it's curled up? So again, as you can see, my hair pretty much curled up with no curling iron, no heat products. So now what you're gonna do is you style it. You start separating it little by little with your fingers. What I like to do as another trick, I flip it and I start passing my fingers through it, kind of like separating them. Back. Hey you guys, just make sure that you take your time shaping your hair out. I was trying to do my best on camera. I don't have a mirror, I was using my phone, but just take your time until you have your hair styled the way you like it. So after you find the way that you want it to style it, like what I like to do is I like to put it to the side like this. Want your volume to last a long time and you don't want your hair to go flat, just make sure you put a lot of hairspray once you're done. Okay you guys, so this is my finished look. Once you guys get your finished look, make sure you put a lot of hairspray on so your hair can last longer. If you have any questions about the hairstyle or anything you might want to ask me, please don't forget to comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go right ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.